What happens when multiple future trends collide together? The AI Future Trend Collision Engine, it is designed to analyze exactly that, uncovering hidden opportunities created when technologies, movements, and audience behaviors begin to merge. Instead of asking artificial intelligence to invent random business ideas, this system explores what emerges when powerful trends intersect. For example, AI combined with ASMR could create personalized binaural therapy experiences. Flight simulators mixed with education could transform learning into immersive exploration. AI and decision fatigue could evolve into intelligent systems that simplify everyday life. The engine analyzes fast-growing trends, audience behavior, monetization paths, and emerging niches that competitors may not even notice yet. It can reveal innovative products, new content formats, future business models, and untapped audiences ready to engage. Many of the world's biggest breakthroughs were born from trend collisions. Smartphones and GPS created Uber, short-form video and algorithms helped create TikTok, and conversational AI changed how people interact with technology. This tool helps creators, innovators, and entrepreneurs discover the next wave before it becomes obvious. The AI Future Trend Collision Engine is available using the link below this video.